Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and enable this toggle to enable edge panels. Now from here, just tap on edge panels. Now from here, just tap on panels. Now just swipe to the left side and select tools. Now once you do that, now if you go to your home screen, you can see that we have enabled the edge panel on our smartphone. Now just swipe from the side of your smartphone and open the edge panel. Now just swipe one more time and open the tools section in your edge panels. Now from here, just tap on the three dots over here and select ruler. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the ruler on our smartphone. Now if you tap on inch, you can switch between centimeter and inch. Just like that. And if you tap on calibrate, you can drag the ruler to the left or to the right side to calibrate the size of the ruler. Just like that. And this is how you can use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.